Hey, welcome back to GLO Tech. Today, we're diving into a foundational concept in Java programming, methods. Whether you're just starting out or brushing up your skills, understanding methods is crucial for writing clean and reusable code. So what exactly is a method in Java? A method is a block of code that performs a specific task, and it only runs when you call it. You can even pass information into methods using parameters. Think of a method like a tool in a toolbox. You build it once and then reuse it whenever you need it. Now, why should you use methods? Well, they reduce code duplication, organize your program into smaller, manageable parts, make debugging easier, and encourage code reusability. Pretty neat, right? Let's look at how to create a method in Java. Here's a basic structure inside a class public class main. Here's a quick breakdown. The class declaration defines your Java class. Next, the method declaration is your method. It means the method belongs to the class, not an objective. Indicates the method doesn't return any value and is the method name with no parameters yet. Now this method won't do anything until it's called. So how do you call a method in Java? Here's an example. Public class main. Here's what happens. The program starts from the method OO. Inside, the line is executed. Java jumps to and runs the code inside, printing, "I just got executed." You can even call the same method multiple times, public class main, and the output will be, "I just got executed, that's it for today." In the next video, we'll explore how to pass data into methods using parameters. So stay tuned. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell. And don't forget to subscribe for more IT tutorials and Java programming guides. Thanks for watching and happy coding.